This is Science Printer, and in this lesson you will learn 10 shortcuts for navigating and viewing data in Excel. Sometimes you need to move between worksheets or cells without using mouse. It is possible and you can do this easily. Shortcuts that I will say help you to do your tasks quickly and make you a master Excel user. Control F1 shows or hides the Excel ribbon. Hide the ribbon to view more than 4 rows of data. To switch to the next open Excel workbook, you can use Ctrl Tab. Firstly, I try to make a new workbook and then switch between them using Ctrl Tab. Using Ctrl Page Down, you can switch to the next worksheet. Also, Ctrl Page Up switch to the previous sheet. If you want to open the Go To dialog, hold Ctrl G together. Pressing F5 displays the same dialog. The Go To window allows you to go to a named range or an address that you supply. It also has a special button that will allow you to select cells based on your defined criteria. For example, I want to select cells that contain formula. Ctrl F displays the Find dialog box. You can find or replace using this dialog. For example, I search for Jane and you can see the result. Using Ctrl Home, you can move to the beginning of a worksheet or A1. Also, Home returns to the first cell of the current row in a worksheet. Finally, Ctrl M helps you to move to the last used cell of the current worksheet, the lowest row of the rightmost column. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.